What's going on YouTube? 40 Acre Homestead AZ here. Actually came with a little update. Garden's doing pretty good. I did lose a couple of plants due to some pests, some of those aphids, but besides that, everything else is still strong, still growing, and starting to make things happen. So I actually got a couple new additions. I'm not sure if I had already said it before. I have to go back and check the videos, but I'm gonna go over them anyways, or at least some of them, just to show you what's been going on with the balcony gardens. All right, so the first addition that we did get was the fig. Um, Actually gonna be getting some figs here soon this season. That actually was gifted to me. We have the lemon tree. It's actually doing pretty good. Repotted this bad boy. This was actually gifted as well. It usually, from what I was told from the prior owner, was that it was producing fruit. So maybe we may get some fruit this season. Um, Another lemon tree. Um, let's see what else. Of course, we have the cucumbers. They're doing pretty good. I got a lot of flowers. The tomatoes, they actually have shot up once again. Um, Both of those. And we still have that tomato down there. He's doing pretty good, getting bigger. We have these peppers right here. I'm actually going to have to stake those up. They're doing pretty good. Those are the small ones. They're actually, they've taken off. The habaneros right here, they're doing pretty good. Still no flowers. They're just continuing to grow, but I'm not rushing them. I'm just going to let nature do what nature does. The sweet pepper, oh my goodness, this thing has grown a lot. A lot of this leaf damage did come from the aphids. I did take care of the ones that were on here. I may have to do another treatment on it, but besides that, after I did treat them and took care of a lot of them last week, I guess it actually made the plant happy because all of these shot up within the last week. And that was after I took care of that pest problem. You also got the jalapeno in there, starting to shoot up. This is actually amazing because I want to say like a week and a half ago, this down here it wasn't this tall. So I do see that a lot of this stuff is happy. We do have the corn. This is something new. It actually is starting to bloom. Still no stalks yet, but I know, that'll come within time, but it is doing healthy as well. Sunflower still doing good. Fighting on. This sunflower, for some reason, it fell over. I thought that was the end of it, and I guess not. It's still trying to push on, so just let it do what it does. We have this tomato plant. It's actually, a little bit more healthier. It's actually a lot of growth. This is actually new growth down here. I have my eggplant. It's still continuing to grow. It also has some new growth down there. This eggplant was actually attacked. Both of these were attacked by those aphids. I did get rid of those. I did add some of the lettuce from under the lights up here, just because I still had space. We still have these sugar snap peas. They're doing pretty good. I'm actually possibly today I think I'll go get something for either a grate. I'm gonna get a grate for this, of course. Maybe a couple grates for those, and may put some kind of trellis in for these, so these sugar snap peas will have something to go on. But besides that, that's all we've been having going on up here at the 40 Acre Homestead AZ headquarters. Great news. Within the next month, you will get a time period maybe of a week to 2 weeks where every day you're going to get a video, because I will be going out to the property I will try to live stream, so just stay tuned for that if you are, following like that. It is going to be within the next 2-3 weeks, so just stay tuned for that. It is going to be a fun, exciting thing. What I'm going to be doing out there is actually staking out the border so I can get the fence put up. But not only that, trying to find out the patterns of the land for the, to find the best way that I can actually build a house around that. Because if I haven't said it before, I will be doing it within, within permaculture theory lines, to where it's like, not only will it benefit me, but it also is going to benefit my crops, things that I do have on the land. Everything's going to work together, pretty much being self-sufficient. So even if I wasn't there, it'll still be able to grow. So I do have some big plans for that. But what we're going to do is we're going to go out there and, stake out the land to see what all we have to work with. Just get it put on paper a little bit more. So without further ado, I do see you all. Thank you for the comments, the likes, and the subscribes. Just stay tuned. 40 Acre Homestead AZ. I'm out.